Okay, you ready?
I'm not ready. Fucking sick. It looks like peanut butter. Oh God. What are they doing? Don't do that. That's yucky. You're gonna get sick. How do you get clean after that?
So this is a one-of-a-kind piece.
What do you think, Zach?
I don't know.
What do you have to say about that?
Too much poop.
Too much poop? Is that it?
It looks like ice cream. But it wasn't. We're gonna get sick.